Good morning, guys. So we have started our journey, or today we are going to Agra, as you must have already seen in the thumbnail. I'm so excited. So right now I have just left my house and will be going to sector 18 Noida, as there will be a couple of my friends who will be joining me for this trip. So we will leave from there. Man, in the morning the roads are so nice here in Delhi. Otherwise this is like so crowded. But I'm so excited. Sunday morning, it's almost 5:45 and I'm on my way. I'm on my bike and this is what makes me happy. अब मुझे लगेगा यहाँ से 15-20 मिनट पहुँचने के लिए नोएडा तक, तो फिर वहाँ पर हम सब लोग मिलेंगे. So there will be 3 guys. I suppose there will be 3 guys, and then from there we'll leave for Agra. So अपना रुस्तम भी रेडी है एकदम. कल ही रात को मैंने टैंक फुल करवा लिया था, बिकॉज आई न्यू कि इन द मॉर्निंग पॉसिबल नहीं है, फिर वो लेट हो जाएंगे टैंक फिल करने के लिए अगर सुबह होगा तो. अरे बाबा, so guys, it's gonna be a one-day ride. So I'll be going in the morning and I'll come back by night. So after a long time I will be riding at night, because normally last time भी जब हम अब गए थे शिमला गए थे तो भी हमने दिन में ही कवर कर लिया था. मॉर्निंग में गए थे, दोपहर को और रात को आ गए थे. बट दिस वन, बिकॉज वी आर लीविंग अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एंड हम लोग let's see, we'll try to visit most of the places and we'll show you guys whatever best possible I can in my vlogs. So let's see क्या क्या देखते हैं, क्या क्या आगे आने वाला है, और फिर then only I'll be able to tell you at night what time I'll be returning. बट बिल्कुल मन नहीं है रिटर्न करने का अभी फ़िलहाल. तो अभी तो फ़िलहाल राइड शुरू हुई है, सो लेट्स नॉट थिंक अबाउट इट. इट फील्स सो गुड. जनरली Delhi mornings are much better. Like if you have to leave anywhere, भाई सुबह निकल जाओ, वो ज़्यादा बेटर है रादर देन कि आप रात का दिन में निकलो, बिकॉज दिन में तो बहुत हालत ख़राब हो जाती है. ओके गाइस, सो वी हैव लेफ्ट नोएडा. सो हमने नोएडा में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया. वी वर वेटिंग फॉर देम एंड सो दे आर बिहाइंड मी. सो राइट नाउ वी विल बी गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द एक्सप्रेस वे एंड वी विल बी, according to GPS, we will be reaching Agra in 3 hours and 22 minutes. It's a wonderful morning. क्या मस्त है. थोड़ा सा लेट होगा, हमने सोचा था 6 बजे तक we'll leave, but right now it's almost like 6:35 or 6:40. So बस लेकिन निकल गए हैं. The good thing is सुबह ठंड हो रही है मस्त वाली. आप देख सकते हैं आगे, like you can see the fog as well. अरे बाइसाइक्लिस्ट निकल पड़े संडे वाले दिन. I've seen lot of, like अभी पीछे जैसे ही हम सेक्टर 18 से निकल रहे थे, there was a group of bicyclists. So on this road, like normally on Sunday you'll see lot of bicycle guys. This is now a thing in Delhi. A lot of people are into bicycles and all. ये देखिए, अरे अरे। सो गाइस रोड बहुत ही सही है अभी तक तो, देयर वाज नो इश्यूज़। थोड़ा सा रुक के मैंने अपना चेन लीव भी कर लिया था नोएडा में, सो दैट यू नो देयर वोंट बी एनी इश्यूज़। अपना सारा मस्त ट्रिप रहेगा। गाइस आई जस्ट वांट टू से थैंक यू टू एवरीवन। मेरा जो लास्ट 2 व्लॉग्स था हिमाचल वाला, अगर आप लोगों ने नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज़ जाके देखिए। उस पे मुझे इतने सारे DMs, कमेंट्स एंड एवरीबडी वाज सो सपोर्टिंग। जो मेरा माइक इशू हुआ था उसके लिए भी, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लाइकिंग माई व्लॉग। सो गाइस keep liking whenever you're watching my videos. Leave a thumbs up so that I know that you guys are watching it and you guys are supporting me. And please subscribe to my channel as well, so that you know you always see new content. You always motivate me ki I can plan things for you. We are planning something big as well, so be a part of Sun Vibes family. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't, then please go ahead and do it now. और in future also we are planning, अभी plan कर रहे हैं, शायद it'll be a more than 3,000 kilometer ride, but it's on the planning phase. For sure, if you guys show us support like this, it'll happen very soon. So this is only, we are planning for Sun Vibes family. बाकी let's see. आगरा सीधा है, यमुना एक्सप्रेसवे सीधा है। क्या रोड है, क्या व्यू है। अभी तो बहुत ठंडी हो रही है। इन द मॉर्निंग इट्स वेरी कोल्ड इन दिल्ली। और उसके अलावा यू कैन सी लाइक इफ़ यू सी द फार अवे, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू कैन सी इट इन दिस कैमरा और नॉट, बट अगर आप आगे देखोगे तो आपको फॉग भी नज़र आ रहा होगा। सो यू कैन सी द फॉग। Good morning YouTube family. So finally we are on our way to Agra. So हम लोग रास्ते में हैं अभी हम ऑलमोस्ट आधा रूट कवर कर चुके हैं। यहाँ से आगरा सिर्फ 80 किलोमीटर बचा है। सो वी जस्ट टुक अ स्मॉल ब्रेक। तो अभी हम लोग हाईवे में ही हैं, एज आई यू कैन सी ये पूरा हाईवे है, स्ट्रेट रोड है, कुछ भी नहीं है इस रोड पे ज़्यादा, तो इसीलिए मैंने ज़्यादा गोप्रो ऑन नहीं किया। सो नाउ आई विल शो यू, आई हैव माई फेलो राइडर्स। सो इधर ये है नावेद भाई और ये है गौरव। सो बेसिकली ही वॉज ड्राइविंग द 200 NS पल्सर So अब यहाँ से very first time, basically he's a very new rider, he's doing his first ride with us. So let's see, आगे का भी बहुत सारे plans हैं. So we are planning for a big ride, so he'll be coming soon. So just keep your comments, likes coming, so that you know we'll be motivated and we'll plan for a very big ride. So now after this, see you in Agra. Okay guys, so we have reached Taj Mahal. So I'll just show you from outside that this is the main gate. Like here you can see, this is the main gate where you'll enter from, and then you just have to walk from here. Okay guys, so we have reached Taj Mahal, as you can see behind me, but only issue is like beyond this point they won't allow videography. So we have tried it, but they have stopped us. So they have given us a warning that you know if we'll do it again, they're gonna take our cameras. So we cannot film anything beyond this point. So I'll just show you all the B-rolls and nice shots of Taj Mahal, but it's amazing. Like look at this view. This is beautiful. Okay guys, so now we are standing next to Yamuna. So I'm feeling so sad to show you this picture because what they have done, look at this. Like if you'll see the condition of Yamuna, it's all black water. See, if it would have been clear water, the look would have been really good. But you can see it's all dark. I'll zoom in a little bit. See, you can see it's all black water. But the view is really nice. Like you know, if they would have cleaned this one, it would have been really beautiful. And you can look at this view. This is one of the best view. It's like $1 million view. And next to it you can see the storm They are beautiful tombs, like, you know, I like Taj Mahal, but if you'll see the other architectures next to Taj Mahal also, it's really beautiful. Like, I don't know, like, I like this Taj Mahal. This is like, this is the best thing, but I like these ones as well. Like, you know, if you'll see the details on these ones, it's really good. Like small these ones, if you'll see, this is really nice. We are finally leaving Agra. So it was a very good trip. Like with all the friends, we had 2 friends along with me. And the Taj Mahal was amazing. Like, I cannot even express in words that how amazing it was. And especially, like, you know, the how huge it is as compared to the other monuments which you must have seen. But Taj Mahal is humongous. Like, you can't even imagine the, like, when it was made at that time, how they must have exported, like, you know, or they must have imported stuff from Rajasthan, because all the marble came from Rajasthan. And it's so huge that, like, you know, once you enter that, the first corridor, like you must have seen in the vlog, the first the gate which you enter, like, you get a glimpse of Taj Mahal and your mouth will be wide open. So now we have just entered, like, you know, this expressway. So only thing is, like, you know, I won't be vlogging too much on this road, because it's the same thing. Like, you know, if you'll see, it'll be a straight road and there won't be anything to vlog much about, and sometimes it'll get dark. So there's nothing much to show you on these roads. Like, I understand, like, you know, if I would have been on some other highway, then there are, like, you know, different landscape, different places. And here, like, after maybe 10 or 15 kilometers, the landscape remains the same. It'll be like both the sides you'll have, like, you know, the farming going on, and that's it. So that's why, guys, so from here Delhi is around 230 kilometers. So yeah, we'll be covering this. Let's see what time we're gonna reach, and I'll keep you posted if there'll be anything interesting to vlog. And if you have watched so far, please don't forget to like the video. It'll motivate me. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and press that subscribe button. Be a part of Sunvibe Vlog, and there'll be a lot of new things coming up. I'm also learning, like, you know, these things are new, cameras, equipments, and there are a lot of things going on. It's just, it looks simple, but it's not simple. So I'm also learning how to manage stuff, how to make videos, how to provide you with the nice B-rolls of the stuff. I'll keep improving, and you guys keep supporting me by subscribing, like, and share. So guys, you do your job, you enjoy the video, like it, share it, and subscribe. I'll do my job. I'll bring you nice content, nice videos, and I hope you will like it. Okay guys, see you after some time if there is anything. Otherwise, I'll end the vlog here on this highway.